Okay guys, so today we are looking at 1-4, equations of lines in the coordinate plane. Very first thing, some essential concepts and understanding. The formula for a line, I'm sure we all know, is y equals mx plus b. Slope would be our m, and the y-intercept is b. Below that, we're just answering some simple questions. We already know how to do all of this. Identify the y-intercept and slope of the following equation. My slope, so m here would be 4. B would be the last part, so 2. Over here, my slope, again, -1/2. My b is -7. Make sure you pay attention to that negative. It counts. Write the equation for the line that follows. So the two things that we need to know are what is m and what is b. So there are a few different ways that we could find m, so our slope. One, we could just count, or two, we can use our equation. The equation for the slope of a line is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So looking at my 2 points, I have x1, y1, x2, y2. So plugging all of that in, I have -1 minus 0 over -1 minus 3. Now, just a reminder, does it matter which one is x1 and which one's x2? No, as long as your x1 and y1 go together, x2, y2 go together. -1 minus 0 is -1, -1 minus 3, -4. So my slope here is 1/4. The last part, b, our y-intercept. How can I figure this out? Well, I could do this very easily by just looking at it and saying, okay, where does it cross the y-intercept? I'm going to just write this down again real quick. Okay. I don't really know. It looks like it's like above the line. So what I'm going to do is plug in a point. So I'm going to plug in my first point. So 0 for my y-coordinate, 1/2 for my slope, 3 for my x-coordinate, plus b. And I want to find b. So 0 equals 3/4 plus b. Subtract over your 3/4. I'm going to have -3/4 equals b. So my final equation is going to be y equals 1/4 x minus 3/4. So that is what I am looking for. For my next one, we're doing the same exact thing again. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a minute, try it out, and then we can look at it all together. Okay, so I went through, figured out my slope. So I just took my 2 points, just like before, plugged them in. So 4 minus 2 over -4 minus 1. That gave me 2 over -3. Then I went back and plugged it back into my equation. So I have 2 equals my slope, so 2 over -3 times my x, -1 plus b. Solved for b, I got 4/3. So my full equation is y equals -2/3 x plus 3 over 4. The next problem, it says just graph the following line. We all know this. Very first point that we should always put is our y-intercept. So it says here my y-intercept is 3. So I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, put a dot right there. Then I'm looking at my slope. It is -2. That means that I'm going to go down 2 to the right 1. So down 1, 2 over 1, down 1, 2 over 1. And you can do as many of these points as you want. You have to have at least 2. Then you just draw your straight line through it. I missed the points, but you guys get it. Done. That line is done. My next one, same thing. I'm going to start at -4, put a dot there. Then I'm going to go up 5 over 1 to the right. So up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. And then draw another line that connects all of those dots. And that's it. This is a big review just from Algebra 1. You should be good. Go ahead and spend the rest of the period working on Delta Math. It is due the day you take your test. That is next week, next Friday. So we got to make sure we get this thing done. Have a good rest of your day.